how to install Tamigo app. So just tap get and then you will be able to install this app. This is one of those HR apps. Plan and make decisions wherever you are, no matter if you're an employee or shift planner in HR or in operations. Your Tamigo app gives you the opportunity to stay on top of your work, check some of the features, update personal data and view employee contracts, plan shifts, use templates, approve drafts, and manage shift exchanges, accept or reject absence requests based on current absence balances, register worked hours manually or check in out in the app. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Then you can just open it up. Select a color scheme you like. So that's where there's a start. And then yeah, you just need to log in with your existing account, use other account. And then yeah, you just need basically to enter your company's domain, and then you need to contact your administrator. And yeah, that's basically how it works. I'm not sure if you can create an account from this app. So you need to already know the details here, and then you just use this app just to convenience of use on mobile. So there you have it.